hope you're fine and taking care of yourself. And how was the unit test? It was nice? Easy? Okay. So students, what are we going to learn? Tell me. We are going to learn GK. And in GK, what is the topic today? Birds. We are going to circle the birds. We have already completed this topic. Birds. Yes, bacha? So today we will be doing a small activity. What is that activity? Circle the birds. You have to identify कि उसमें birds कौन से हैं, and then you have to circle them. Okay? Come. So students, have a look. Which bird is this? P for parrot. Mittu, mittu. Yes? P for parrot. Then P for peacock. P for peacock. Then what is this? This is crow. Which bird is this? Crow. Then sparrow. कौन सा bird है? Sparrow. Then this is owl. O for owl. Once again we will repeat. Owl. O for owl. Then sparrow. Which bird is this? Sparrow. Then crow. C for crow. Peacock. P for peacock. Then P for parrot. Yes, these all are birds. Now we will circle all the birds. You have to identify. Come. So students, have a look. See, here are some birds and some different objects also. यहाँ पे खाली birds नहीं है, यहाँ पे और भी चीजें हैं. So you have to identify कि इसमें birds कौन से हैं, and then you have to circle them. Yes. So which is the first bird? This is eagle. So eagle is a bird. Yes, eagle bird है ना. So I will circle eagle. Okay. Then what is this? This is a bird. This is balloon. B for balloon. तो ये bird नहीं है, तो मैं इसको circle नहीं करूँगी. Then what is this? This is grapes. So grapes is not a bird. It's a fruit. Yes. Then what is this? This is sparrow. S for sparrow. So sparrow is a bird. So should I circle it? Yes. Then what is this? This is duck. Small small baby duck. Yes. So duck is a bird. तो मैं इसको circle करूँ? Okay. Then what is this? Owl. O for owl. तो owl is a bird. Yes. मैं इसको circle करूँ कि नहीं करूँ? Okay. So this is also a bird. Then what is this? Donuts. So donuts are not a bird. ये तो sweet है ना? Yummy yummy sweet donut. Yes. So बच्चा, in this way you have to identify. खाली birds नहीं होंगे. There will be some different pictures also. So you have to identify and then you have to circle the birds. So please बच्चा, try this activity in your home. Till then, stay home, stay safe. God bless you.